Alright, so we explore other features of this invoice, and here is the inventory section. This is the inventory table. Here you have the list of what you're billing parents for, and for a school, they will usually have services and products, things like books, uniforms will be products, while school fees, admission fees, and other fees will fall under the category of services. So take a look at sportwear. Take a look at sportwear. We are going to be adding up to sportwear. The inventory alert here says low quantity. Low quantity. It means that it is below the products, the inventory benchmark. It is actually below. So just take notes. We are going to add up to this inventory. We're going to add up to assume that the school makes purchases. So we are going to be getting supplies of sportwears. All right. So where do we do that? We come to the inventory dashboard here. All right. So this is where we're going to be doing that. We come straight to the inventory entry section here. All right. So let's pick a date. We'll pick these dates. We'll pick purchases here. Okay, and description. Let's say the description of the supplier. ABC Sport. ABC Sport Shop. Yeah, so this is the name of the supplier, and we'll be loading sportwear. All right, so sportwear. We select sportwear. All right, so let's just enter. Let's say 100. Let's just enter 100. But take note of the inventory again before I click on it. Sportwear is actually 0. We've not purchased. We only have 2 when we started using this invoice. And so those are the 2. All right. So we are just going to key in that using this button. Having filled the form, key that in. All right. It has loaded. Now let's come to the inventory here again. All right. So how many do we now have? Sportwear is now 102. So can you see that? And the inventory alert here has what? It has disappeared. All right. So how does this inventory section works? This is how it works. As you are entering, as you load your opening stock, you're making purchases. You keep adding the purchases using the inventory entry sheet. All right. Now, as you're selling, the quantity you're selling will be populating here automatically. It will be deducting from what you have in your inventory balance and be reflecting the current balance. So it is automated. So you don't need to count. All you need to do is to be ensuring that you record every new inventory or stock that comes into the business. I'll show you more features. Right, so I just showed you how the inventory dashboard works, but let's go to other features. This time let's come to purchases. Now all the items you've been purchasing, this is where they populate. Now you recall what we enter. As you are entering them, it populates here. Alright, so if you remember, for the entry we made for sports wears for nursery school, this is the record. It populates here. So you don't need to come to this sheet and you start typing. You don't need to do that. You enter whatever you want to enter here. You come to this entry form, fill it neatly here, and you submit here. So that is how it works. Let me take you through the VAT. This is the VAT configuration. It has the VAT rates for all countries being used. In case you are a VATable person or your business is VATable, you select these and you set it up. Let's also come to, it has a dashboard as well. So here is a dashboard. You can see the details of what we enter reflects here. What does the dashboard say? It captures your total sales and compares it with total payment received. As you can see, total revenue versus payment received. So you better know the margin between what you have sold or your revenue versus what has been paid for. It also measures total outstanding debt to total payment received. As you can see, here is the part of the debts that has been paid for, and this 3.8% is a part of the debt that has not been paid for. So that is a simple dashboard for you that helps you keep track of funds and how to monitor them. You will definitely need this for your school because it is simple to use. It is also cloud-based and it's a one-time payment. You do not have to keep on subscribing on yearly basis or monthly or whatever.